Welcome to another deep dive into the future of drone technology. If you've been watching the skies, or the rumor mill, you've likely heard the buzz. The next big leap in compact aerial innovation is nearly here. And yes, we're talking about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. After months of cryptic hints and community chatter, we finally have what seems to be a solid date for the drone's grand debut, August 7, 2025. This isn't just another yearly refresh. According to multiple credible leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro aims to completely redefine what's possible in a drone that stays under the 250-gram legal threshold. That weight class is critical for many users around the world, especially in regions where aviation regulations become stricter once you exceed it. Yet DJI looks ready to push the envelope on performance and features, even within these limits. First look, a glimpse from the field interestingly. The clearest look we've had so far didn't come from a product event, but from a viral video. A Chinese mountain biker unknowingly filmed the Mini 5 Pro in action, and keen-eyed enthusiasts spotted telltale signs: no prototype markings, production-ready design, and familiar foldable arms. The footage suggests a refined, compact frame, but also introduces something much more futuristic: LiDAR on a mini drone. It's happening. One of the biggest talking points is the apparent integration of LiDAR sensors. First for DJI's Mini series, previously reserved for more advanced models like the Mavic 4 or Air 3. This technology can dramatically improve spatial awareness. With LiDAR, the drone can scan its surroundings in real time using laser-based 3D mapping. This would enable superior obstacle avoidance in poor visibility, smoother terrain following, and even semi-autonomous navigation in complex environments for drone pilots who shoot in forest, near buildings, or under dim lighting conditions. This could be a game changer. Cooling, power, and performance enhancements from the leaks. It's also clear that DJI has paid attention to heat and airflow. The Mini 5 Pro appears to sport vented motors, which could help reduce overheating during long flights and enhance motor efficiency. That's a subtle but impactful upgrade that can extend the drone's lifespan and improve wind resistance at higher altitudes. Speaking of endurance, the new model is expected to ship with a larger battery than its predecessor. While the Mini 5 Pro offered up to 34 minutes of flight time, the Mini 5 Pro may push that closer to 40 minutes. That extra time matters a lot for professionals filming long takes or surveying large areas. Imaging excellence: a 1-inch sensor on board. On the imaging front, this drone could punch well above its class. Sources suggest that DJI will outfit the Mini 5 Pro with a 1-inch sensor, something typically found in much larger and more expensive drones. This upgrade would offer better dynamic range, lower noise in low light, and richer colors. There's even talk of 6K video recording, a step up from the already impressive 4K seen in previous models. Other camera-related rumors include enhanced 3-axis gimbal for buttery-smooth footage, a vertical video mode for creators on Instagram or TikTok, improved image processing algorithms for superior detail and clarity, connectivity and control, more power to the pilot, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro introduced a Q-Sync 4.0. The new model is rumored to come with an even more advanced transmission system. Expect better range, stronger resistance to interference, and a more reliable signal even in dense urban areas or remote landscapes. This could drastically reduce latency and increase confidence for pilots flying longer missions. Style and build: familiar, but sleeker in terms of design. DJI isn't reinventing the wheel, but they are polishing it. The foldable frame remains, but some leaks hint at enhanced aerodynamics and new materials that help with heat dissipation and durability. Interestingly, there may also be new color options, possibly moving beyond the traditional gray to include black or even navy blue finishes. Price tag and positioning is expected with all these advancements. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is likely to come with a higher price point, estimated between $700 and $800 US. That positions it as a tool for serious enthusiasts and semi-professional creators who want premium performance without stepping up to a heavier model like the Air 3 or Mavic series. Early buyers may also benefit from launch bundles that include accessories such as spare propellers, batteries, or ND filters, so if you're planning to purchase, keep an eye on those deals shortly after launch. What's next? All signs now point to August 7, 2025 as the big day. That's when DJI is expected to lift the curtain and officially present the Mini 5 Pro to the world. From there, we can likely expect a full release by early September. Between the upgraded sensor suite, LiDAR integration, improved flight time, and advanced imaging capabilities, this could be one of the most significant drone launches in years, not just for DJI, but for the ultralight category as a whole.